Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. We're going to talk about one of the most important parts of gardening, and that's tools. You know, when you start off with tools, you have to have something that's built with quality. And that's where this tool would come in handy. Make sure it has a good finish, something that feels kind of heavy and strong. Now, I know there's a tendency to buy the cheapest tool you can find, and that may be okay as far as your pocketbook goes, but remember, quite often you're going to have to replace those tools on a regular basis. Now, this tool is kind of neat because it has a handle, so you can get a little bit of torque and you can actually push into the ground. If you've got some rocks or sand or peat or something you want to work into the soil, you've got something that's got a good bit of torque to it. So remember, when you're looking for tools, that you have something like this, just like you would for a shovel. Now, this is a hand trowel, the simplest tool, but if you're putting in petunias or you're putting in geraniums, you're putting in bulbs, you can use this particular tool. Now, this one even has a depth finder on it. It's actually measured like 1, 2, 3, and 4 inches, which is kind of neat if you're going down to about, let's say 4 inches, you're putting in a bulb like an amaryllis or something of that nature. Remember, when you get good tools, it's important to look for good quality, a good finish, and make sure it has a good strong handle, because that's where you're going to use that torque and save your arm, save your back, and have more fun in gardening. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.